In 1985, a KGB colonel walked past a Moscow street corner carrying a Safeway bag. That single moment was the difference between life and death. His name was Oleg Gordievsky. For over a decade, he had been one of the KGB's most trusted officers. He had also been spying for British intelligence the entire time. When a CIA officer named Aldrich Ames sold his name to Moscow, the KGB called him home. Not for a promotion, for a quiet execution disguised as a meeting. They drugged him, they interrogated him. He never broke. So he walked to that corner, held up that bag, and prayed someone was watching. MI6 was watching. They smuggled him out of the Soviet Union, curled in the boot of a diplomat's car, barely breathing, while border dogs swept the checkpoint at Finland. He crossed. He survived. His wife and daughters did not make it out. He has never seen them again. He gave everything to the work. In the end, the work took everything back.